Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo places 2 glass cups filled with clear liquids on the table. A sheet of instructions lists exact measurements for each liquid. Adding too much of one liquid could cause a reaction. A new word becomes important: scrupulous. Scrupulous means extremely careful and exact. Guessing the amounts would be risky and unsafe. Timo measures each liquid carefully, checking the measurement lines twice. He pours one liquid carefully into the other. The liquids combine smoothly, glowing softly, without spilling or bubbling. Timo understands that being scrupulous means paying close attention to every detail, and that careful accuracy keeps him safe in future adventures.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.